In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your experience with Google Calendar. If you're like many people, your calendar is an essential part of staying on top of your daily routine, whether that includes work meetings, personal errands, or deadlines. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a cleaner, more organized setup that supports better time management. Let's begin by opening Google Calendar. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and sign in to your Google account and navigate to the calendar interface. This platform effectively serves as the central hub for all your appointments. And when used properly, it can transform into a powerful organizational asset to streamline your schedule. One of the simplest ways to enhance your calendar workflow is to create separate calendars for different areas of your life. For example, you could maintain one calendar for work, another for personal events, and perhaps a third dedicated to a specific project. Dividing your schedule this way helps you view and manage your tasks without any mix-up or overlap. To take it a step further, consider assigning various colors to each calendar or event type. This adds a significant layer of visual clarity, allowing you to instantly recognize the type of activity coming up. Perhaps use blue for work, green for personal time, and red for urgent deadlines, or any scheme that works best for you. This simple yet effective trick aids in prioritization and helps you avoid scheduling conflicts. Now let's delve into calendar views. Google Calendar offers the flexibility to switch between daily, weekly, monthly, or agenda views. You can find these options in the View menu. Each view provides a distinct perspective, so choose the one that best fits how you plan your day or week. Whether you prefer a detailed breakdown or a big picture overview, selecting the right view can make your planning process much smoother. Next, don't forget to set up reminders or notifications for your events. These alerts can be customized to notify you minutes, hours, or even days in advance. That way, you'll never miss a meeting or deadline again. Google Calendar also includes a handy tasks feature, allowing you to create simple to-do lists. These tasks appear right alongside your calendar events, helping you keep track of both appointments and daily responsibilities in one convenient place. If you're scheduling a meeting or an event, it's always helpful to include the location or address where it will take place. Doing this eliminates confusion and ensures everyone is in the loop, saving you time and avoiding unnecessary back and forth exchanges. Lastly, make sure to take advantage of recurring events. If you have weekly check-ins or regular routines, setting them to repeat automatically will save you from entering them manually each time. It adds consistency to your calendar, helping keep things running smoothly. By applying these strategies, you'll turn Google Calendar into a smarter, more efficient tool for managing your life. Thanks for watching. Give these tips a try and see how much more productive you can be.